Today is my birthday!
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Mom, today feels special.
Honey, I am very busy today.
Where are my office papers? They are on the kitchen table.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Grandma. Mom, can you look at me?
Just 1 minute, sweetie.
I want pancakes!
Okay, calm down. I am late for work.
Oh, your coffee is ready.
Why are you sad?
Nobody remembers. It is nothing, Grandma.
You can tell me later.
Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Why are you quiet today? I feel a little bad.
Happy birthday, Emma!
Happy birthday! Thank you, everyone. I wish my family remembered.
Maybe they are planning something.
I hope so.
Did you pick up the vegetables from the store?
Oh no! I forgot them!
You look stressed. Today is so crazy.
I am back home. Mom forgot.
I understand your pain.
Can we play soccer? Not now.
What a long day.
I am so tired. Nobody loves me. Do not say that. Families make mistakes.
But today is important.
Why is Emma crying?
Crying? What happened?
Did you forget something today? Forget what?
Wait, today is...
Emma's birthday. We need to fix this fast.
I can make a card.
Oh, great idea. I will buy a cake.
I will decorate the house.
I just want to sleep.
Wait a little longer. Turn off the lights. Everything is ready.
Why is the house dark?
Keep walking, dear.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
What?
You remembered. We are so sorry, sweetheart.
We had a crazy day.
I was really sad. I made this card for you. It is beautiful. Thanks, Tom.
Families forget sometimes.
But families also care.
Can you forgive me? Yes, dear Mom.
Make a birthday wish.
I wish for more family time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma.
Happy birthday to you. This is the best night ever. Here, Mom. This is for you. Hey! I want a bigger piece.
Our family is very special for us. They can never truly forget us.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.